What's up everybody, this is Derek here and welcome to another product unboxing and initial impressions video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Ring Video Doorbell 2. This is the successor to the very popular Ring Video Doorbell. It adds 1080 HD video and it adds a quick release battery option, so you don't actually have to pull the doorbell off. You can just pop the battery out like you do many cameras. So today we're going to be unboxing it. This version also can be run wirelessly, so you don't need a hardwired doorbell installation. So if you have a house that has a low voltage wired doorbell already, that's great because you can install this and you don't even have to worry about charging the battery in most cases because it'll trickle charge. But if you just have your doorbell stickied up there, you need a wireless doorbell because you don't have power there. So this one also works for that. So take a look at the front real quick. It features 1080 HD video, two-way talk up from 720p on the original one. Motion detection, the Pro version is hardwired only, which is why I don't have it, and that one has more advanced motion detection than the two. Lifetime purchase, quick release battery, and Wi-Fi. So make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi signal near your front door, otherwise you're going to run into like latency problems and stuff. So I have never used one of these before, but I've read a bit about it, and a lot of people have complained about latency and other connection issues if your Wi-Fi signal isn't good there. So let's see, adjustable motion sensor. I believe they're referring to like motion sensing zones, infrared night vision, which is also supposed to be better on the 2 than the 1. Or the original one, and then on-demand audio video. So we'll take a look real quick at the back, and this will be an unboxing and initial impressions video. I'll probably do another video just because these tend to run so long because I talk too much. I'll do another video of actually setting it up and showing you how it works. So here you go. These are just some more product specs. And without further ado, let's go see how we open this. So it looks like you don't have to cut it. Looks like there are actually these little pull tabs. That's pretty cool. I haven't seen that before. And there's actually like this little pull tab right here that you can get your fingernail or whatever under and then pop it off. So let's see which way it opens. Okay, it opens up. So I'll go ahead. Put that like that. And we've got a pull tab here. There you go. You can see it's actually nicely packed. That's pretty cool. It's got a like a foam insert here in the shape of the doorbell to ensure that it stays protected. I'm just going to save some room, take that off screen for now. You can see that this is it's something that just prevents it from getting damaged in shipping. It's actually bigger than I thought it would be. It's actually quite a bit bigger than I thought it would be. It comes with both finishes. So the original one only came, you have to choose your color. This one, it looks like it comes in the like the nickel finish and also like a darker finish to match the exterior of the house better. So we've got Say Hello to Ring here. And let's see what we got. This looks like just some product information. This looks like a quick start guide of some sort. Okay, so first thing to do is charge the provided battery, it says. So plug it into power source using provided orange cable. We'll go green, so charging is green and orange. Green is fully charged, and then we've got a little sticker protected by Ring. They're also getting into security systems, so I'm sure that you're going to see a lot more of these around. Here's somebody who likes setting up doorbells for a living, I guess. That's cool. And then some consumer information, or some information for the different agencies here in the States. So paintable to match your home. That's cool. So there are a number of different mounting options, it appears. I'm actually just looking for the micro USB cord. So here, see if wiring from a doorbell transformer. So this is your low voltage AC that you would get from a hardwired installation, or say, let's see. Okay, it lifts right out like that. That's cool. So this is just plastic. It feels decently durable. I don't know if it has any. What is this? This is PC plus ABS. So I don't think there's any glass fiber, but it's decent quality. Pull this out. Take a look. So setup button right there. So I'll do another video on setup, like I said, just because this one's going to go too long. I already know. So battery tips. Even if your ring is wired, battery still required. Excessive use can cause battery drain. Lots of motion will drain your battery quicker. Okay, so that's good to know. And after installation, secure one of the security screws in the bottom of your Ring doorbell like this. Okay, so we got 2 security screws. They give us one extra one, I'm guessing. And that is, that's good. We'll take a look at that during the actual installation. So right now I'm still on the hunt for those batteries so that I can charge them up and we can get to that installation process. So another piece of mounting hardware here, same thing, right? This is just straight ABS, no polycarbonate. And then we've got, okay, so that's what these guys are. So these mounting plates are back plates for the doorbell, and they're if you want to mount on a wedge down, so this is a 5-degree wedge down or a 15-degree left or right corner. So depending on how your front door is situated in your house, you can use, saying angled brackets are optional, and then so depending on your situation, it's cool that they include them because they want to obviously reach the greatest number of potential customers, and some people have installations where you need that. So here is our wire. This is just a standard. I can't say I've ever seen a USB to micro USB in this color before. It's a very, I don't know, it's an odd color. Ring is like white and blue mostly, so it's an odd color, but maybe I won't lose it then. I'm still looking for the batteries. There they are. Okay, they're under here. So I believe you get 2 of them, or you get 1 of them. Maybe you get, I got that confused. You get 2 of the face plates and you get 1 battery. So I don't think there's another one of these hiding anywhere. So here's the battery. You can see here's the little security screw on the bottom that we would put in after it's installed, just to keep it from falling out. Looks like they've got the pin out here. You've got your micro USB pin in here. So that's pretty cool. It's an integrated unit where you can just plug this into a battery bank. I'm just going to plug this into like an Anchor USB power strip, and then we will see how it charges. So actually, maybe for the purposes of the video, I will go grab real quick a micro USB power bank. Let's see if we can find one here. Okay, here's one. This should work. It's just a standard Anchor. This is quick charge 3. This is just your standard USB port. I don't think this uses quick charge. I didn't read that anywhere, so I'm just going to use the standard one. And we will go ahead and plug this battery in. Take a look at the orientation. It goes like that. Okay, so you can already see. I was going to say, we'll see if we can drop this camera light a little bit. Make this a little bit dimmer. There we go. Okay, so you can see here it is green and orange. Looks like they're solid, and then once it's green only, that's how you know that it's powered. It's ready to be installed. Looks like 2 18650 cells. That's I'm guessing they are. So nothing crazy. That's a good battery choice, energy dense, and for an installation like this, I'm sure that it should last a while. We'll go ahead and turn that back up. Just make sure we didn't miss anything. See what else we've got in here. They give you quite a bit of hardware here. So got the previous Ring Video Doorbell. Use this plate to fit the existing holes so you don't have to drill new ones. Okay, so again, in the interest of appealing to the widest customer base possible, they're including this plate, which we don't need, but if you have a original Ring Video Doorbell and you drill holes into your door frame or into your siding or whatever material is on the side of your house by your door, then you can you don't have to worry about drilling new holes for the Doorbell 2. So if you upgrade it, they give you this little plate, and it looks like this plate has a couple screws, 5 screws on it that you can use to affix the Doorbell 2, the Ring Video Doorbell 2, to the original Ring Video Doorbell's plate. Instead, that way you don't have to worry about drilling again. So this we'll say is conditionally useful if you have a Ring Video Doorbell, otherwise you won't be using it. These are conditionally useful because depending on your installation, if you have a need for, so this is the side mount one, so if you want your doorbell facing more this way, or reverse it and facing more this way, or if you have an installation that requires the doorbell be pointed up or down, that would be what this wedge is for. So those are cool to see, but I most likely won't be using them in my installation, so I'll probably just put them back in the box for now. And that's pretty much what we're left with. So I said we've got the battery charging, we've got installation hardware, so that's to be used with those. And we'll go ahead and put this guy back down there. You've got 2 finishes, which is cool. They're both plastic. They're just painted plastic, I believe. Neither of them is very like soft, you know, like nothing. They don't feel rubbery, soft touch, anything like that. They just feel like they're ABS. And then we've got the doorbell itself. We'll see how it goes. It looks pretty cool. It's, you know, it's plastic, but it looks fairly durable for what it is. It's got a bar up here that I believe is for the infrared detector or the infrared motion sensor, the camera itself, and then the button with the light here, and then a setup button here. Battery goes in the bottom, and we'll go from there. So thanks for watching this initial impressions video and unboxing. Here are some installation tools. Maybe we should just take a look at what's in there. Oh, the orange makes an appearance again. All right, we have the world's oddest color screwdriver, but again, I won't lose it. And you've got a little level, you've got some wire nuts if you're going to be using the hardwire installation, some drill bits, some wire leads, a couple anchors if you're mounting to concrete. So that's pretty cool. So said this is supposed to just be unboxing and initial impressions, so I will try to leave it there so this doesn't become a 30-minute video. And be on the lookout on this channel for another video soon of me actually installing it or setting it up on my phone, and we can see how it works. So thanks for watching. If you enjoy tech videos like this, be sure to like the video, consider subscribing to the channel, and I hope to see you in a future video soon.